Hello, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I will teach you how to create a voiceover for our video using MS Word and Audacity. Let us get started. First, we need to type our script on MS Word. After typing, we will add Microsoft Read Aloud feature on the Quick Access toolbar. Click this little drop down here and make sure Read Aloud is checked. This feature is only available for Office 2019 and Microsoft 365. So, if you are using Office 2013 or earlier, unfortunately, this feature is not available to you. Next, we launch Audacity. I provided the download link on the description. We need to set up some settings here before we start recording. Under this drop down, make sure to set this into Windows Ways API. Select the device you are currently using with loopback enclosed in parentheses. I usually set this to stereo. And here, the same device with this. Now everything is set, we can now start recording. Click this red circle here to start recording. Now go back to MS Word, press Ctrl A and click this triangle here, which is the play button for the computer to start speaking. Incorrect configuration of Microsoft Edge. To solve this problem, we must first see the details of this error. Launch the event viewer by hitting the start button and type event viewer. Select administrative events and wait until all the events are loaded. Select the most recent event. Below is the description of the event. If you want more details about the event, hit details. Now copy these numbers. Open your browser and search for this number. Click this website to download an update. Your download should start shortly. Now open the downloaded file. This process may take a while to complete, and your computer might appear idle. Just be patient because the process is being executed in the background. Wait until the updating is done. When the dialog box disappears, try to run Microsoft Edge again. As you can see, we were able to launch Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching. You can also click this icon here, which we just displayed a while ago. When the reading is complete, go back to Audacity and hit this square icon to stop the recording. Trim the silent portion before and after the clip. These are the moments when we are switching back and forth between Audacity and MS Word. Now we are ready to export this clip. Click the File button and hit Export. Export as MP3 or export as WAV. I will choose WAV. Write the file name and click Save. You can now import the file and manually sync it to your video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe.